Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can clear your browser's history, right? Your browser's history in Google Chrome. So yeah, that's what you're going to be doing in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask you that if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. With that being said, let's not waste any more time, so let's just get started. Now as you can see, I already have my Google Chrome open up here, right? So what I want us to do is just come to this top right corner right here and then click on these three dots, and then this tab should be opening up. Now what I want you to do is come to more tools here and then click on clear browser data, right? And then this window should be opening up, right? So now if you scroll down, what I want us to do is clear browsing history. I don't want caches or cookies, I just want to clear the browser data, right? So once you have that, just mark that and then come on, click on clear, and that will clear your browser history, right? So click on that and then click on clear. So this will take a while, and then as you can see, it's now done. So you clear your browser's history right there. So now if you were to visit your history, this is how you can access your history, and then check. You see your history is empty, right? So yeah, that's how you access your or clear your browser's history. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. Now with that being said, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.